Hello everyone, my name is Luke and welcome to Banking Help SA. This is how to do immediate payments on FNB App to Capitec. Make sure you watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. Just follow along and look for the same options. Start by opening the FNB app and signing into your account. From the home screen, select Pay. Then tap Pay again to open the payment options. Next, choose Instant Payment. From here, enter the recipient's name, followed by the Capitec card number. Then enter the amount of money that you want to send. You can also add your own reference and the recipient's reference if needed so the payment is easier to identify. Enable Send Proof of Payment if you want to receive the proof of payment after the transfer is completed. Now tap Continue. From here, enter the email address or cell phone number where you want the proof of payment to be sent. You can send it yourself or directly to the person receiving the money instead. Once that's done, confirm the remaining prompts and approve the transaction through the banking app to complete the immediate payment. And that is it. That's how to do immediate payment on the FNB app to Capitec. If this video helped you, remember to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Goodbye.